Kani ka statement yung moody, but kani ka video pa siya uweng na marba le comedy pang moody. Ko ay pisa pinya share ka ng video, pinya like ka ng video, pinya bu ka ng video bala siya sing da siya uweng ka video jong noro pilam primo sa isin ng video.
Modi, thank you so much for visiting our country.
TCS. My friend.
Yeah. Sure, Mr. Modi. Thank you so much for visiting our country.
Yeah, great harassment.
Yeah, thank you.
Otherwise, it would be
Thank
bye. Sapna.
Funny guy. Let me introduce you to our members.
I saw your photo.
Which photo, Mr. Modi?
Blue umbrella.
Are you on Twitter?
No, my friend. Epstein files.
Mr. Modi, we should not discuss
I dance, my friend.
Mr. Modi, we should not discuss this openly, huh? Let's do some serious business. Let me introduce you to our finance minister. She's Melanie. I think you have already met. Melanie.
Setting, my friend.
Different, Mr. Modi. And he's our health minister. I think he's the person who are doing really awesome job. Mr. Modi is
Photo करना पड़ता है. Continue, my friend.
Mr. Modi, she's our home minister. She's doing some really good job. And I think we will be discussing some serious issues with her today. And, Mr. Modi, we are not here to celebrate. The world is in panic right now. Ukraine and Russia had already started to fight. US and Iran are about to start World War III. People are dying, Mr. Modi. People are dying. Kids are getting bombed. We need your help. We need India's help. The world is looking at Mr. Modi.
My friend.